Okay, so basically, exactly you have to do is, in the question it is written that there is a person, okay, and the person has purchased 15 lakhs car, okay, and down payment he has paid almost like 1,50,000, and the interest rate is almost like 10% interest rate, and that too for how many years? 8 years. Let me just highlight yellow color, which is mentioned in the question, okay. Just a second. Okay. This was mentioned in the question. So how much the car price is? 15 lakhs. He has paid the down payment is almost like 1,50,000 is already paid, and the interest rate is 10%. And for how many years? 8 years. Each year contains how many months? 12 months, isn't it? It's easy. So keep it in mind. Now, there is we have to calculate how much per month he is paying, the EMI calculation. So basically, it is the formula is nothing but PMT, and then you have to mention how many months, and then you have to mention what is the percentage rate per month, what is how many months, and also what is the remaining amount. That is what the you have to mention. Okay, so PMT, open the braces. First thing, B5 cell represents almost like what is the interest rate per month. Next is all about B7. It's all about like how many months. Okay. And minus B3 is something that is related to how much amount is left. Okay. To pay him, to pay the car owner, sorry, car manufacturer, like whatever the car company is. Okay. You're going to do the EMI by using this formula. Okay. So first thing first, how much is the car amount? 15 lakhs. How much he has paid? 1,50,000. So how much is remaining? How much is remaining? You have to subtract 15 lakhs minus 1,50,000. How much it will be? 13 lakhs 50,000, right? Already you know the interest is 10%. 10% means per year, right? What is about month? So basically what you will do when I say 10% is per year. Now, can you tell me like per month how much it will be? So basically, we'll divide it. How many months are there? 12 months. So what you will do? You have to divide it by 12. So 10% divided by 12. So how much you will get? 0.008333 you will get, isn't it? When you enter this formula, automatically you will get the percentage. Now, how many years? It is already mentioned in the 8 years. That means how many months? 8 into 12. 12 8s are 96. So you're multiplying with 12. Why? Because each year contains 12 months. So you have to multiply with B6 into 12. So 12 8s are 96. Now, just enter the formula and then press enter. What's happening? Yeah, you will get 20,485 rupees is paying per month. Okay. Yeah, this is a fifth one. So how to write in the answer booklet? So basically you have to say everything. To calculate EMI in Excel sheet, first you have to open the Excel sheet, open the blank sheet, and then in A1 cell I'm writing car price, A2 cell I'm writing down payment, A3 I'm writing loan amount. All this you just mention. Okay. Click on the A1 cell and then type car price, something like that. Okay. Once it is done, just write down the formula. For loan amount, for remaining loan amount, what you're doing, you're subtracting. What you're subtracting, what is the formula? B1 minus B2. So in the formula section, whatever the formulas are there, just mention here. Only four formulas. One, two, three, four. Only four formulas. Just mention the formulas. And output, just write down the output. Completed Excel sheet layout. So whatever you have got over here, the entire table I have to see. Okay. And in the result section, just write down the EMI per month that the so and so Mr. X has to pay is almost like 20,485 rupees. That's it. Simple. Okay. So that's it for today. Thank you so much.